Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the traveling merchants on Grow a Garden, when you can find them, and how long they stay. Actually, I don't really know how long they stay, but they can be next to the seed shop here or next to the egg area there. But I'm just going to open one now here. As you can see, this is the gnome shop. I think it stays for 30 minutes max. So it spawns like every 4 hours. So 12 a.m., 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 4 p.m., 8 p.m. UTC time. So I'm just going to get this. Okay, there's the common one. Okay. There's the gnome crates, and then there's also some other traveling merchants. I am on like a Discord notifier, so whenever there's a merchant, I get notified. But again, they're going to only respawn like for 30 minutes, so make sure you join in game quickly. So yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.